Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Plus 500. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Also, if they have an activity fee or withdrawal fee, I will talk about the main disadvantage of Plus 500, I think, and I will start the whole video with it. Then I will talk about the security of this broker, what kind of markets and products they offer, and also design of brokers. So let's start. Now, this will blow your mind what I'm going to read to you. This is the terms and conditions of Plus 500, as you can see right here. And just read this with me and you will see how crazy this broker is. The trading you conduct on a trading platform is not conducted on an exchange. We act as a counterparty in transactions conducted on a trading platform and, therefore, act as the buyer. And this is going to be the most interesting part. Act as the buyer when you offer to sell an instrument and the seller when you offer to buy an instrument. The prices we offer on the trading platform might not be the best prices available. What this means is that when you're gonna trade, I don't know, on Forex or CFD and you're gonna buy something, you wanna sell and the price is going to be different than the actual value on the market. So the prices we offer on the trading platform might not be the best prices available. And this is crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, only because of this I wouldn't use Plus 500 because it's scammy. Another thing, what I don't actually particularly like about it is this. Look at this. If Plus 500 believes you're scalping, your account may be blocked and closed. Therefore, if you plan to execute many trades within 2 minutes, Plus 500 is not your broker. Another thing is that in Plus 500, many people in YouTube comments, also on Reddit and everywhere, are saying that their accounts got blocked when they earn a lot of money. So I'm like, really? Based on these two reasons, I'll be really careful of using Plus 500, and I'm not going to show them in as other people in YouTube videos. They're going to give you the affiliate link in the description. Click on it, please. I want to earn 30 bucks from your registration. God hell no. There are better options for it. Even TradeStation Global, which is the parent company of Interactive Brokers. XTB that I'm going to show you that you can choose, and it's much better for CFD and also Forex. So let me show you. First, fees. Plus 500 fees. Okay, we got fees of CFD 2.1, 1.3 or SP500 and Europe 50. XTB got 2 and 1.6. So SP500 is better and Europe is a little bit higher. But the Apple CFD and Vodafone are much more expensive. So I would choose different if I want to trade stock CFD and not only SP500 and Europe 50. Now, this is the first thing about XTB. In this way, it's my opinion better. Now we can also check Saxo Bank, which is also alright. Now, the Forex fees are much, for example, better comparing to, again, Plus 500 on XTB. And no one is saying this. It's crazy to me that no one is talking about this. The euro with Britain currency, everything is better on XTB. And I'm not paid by XTB, I'm just showing you the truth. The customer service, it's all right on Plus 500. Again, on Saxo Bank, on XTB, it's better. Trading platform, again, is good on Plus 500, and trading for Plus 500 is easy, and it's easy to do. It really is. So I would recommend doing that. But still, XTB is also top notch for trading, also on mobile. Now, Plus 500 is safe, it's easy to use, and your money are covered if you can actually withdraw the money from Plus 500. But this is pretty much it. To summarize this whole video, and I wanted to make it short, in my eyes, I wouldn't use Plus 500. Not at all. You can do that, but take it for your own risk. I wouldn't use it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions or any opinions what I just said, you can share it in the comments. If it's going to be negative, I'm going to delete it. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. I should have leave a little bit of silence there, so to build up the tension, but whatever. Thank you very much. Have a great day everybody, and good